Hi, it's Vincent Mancini, your Ironman Realtor, with my good buddy, Mr. Licorice. Are you having a hard time finding that first home that's right for you and your wallet? Well, here's a tip. Think about condos. They're usually smaller than a single family house and they're easier on your wallet. This is going to give you more options in your home search, and there's a lot of great perks. Number one, they require less maintenance. Condos are great if you want to own your own place, but you don't want to mow the lawn, shovel snow, or fix the roof. Number two, this allows you to start building equity. When you buy a condo, you build equity, and your net worth is going to increase as you're making those monthly mortgage payments, and your condo value is going to go up over time. Number three, they often come with added amenities. Your condo might come with access to amenities like a pool, dog park, or parking. And the best part is, you don't have to take care of any of them. And number four, they provide you with a sense of community. Buying a condo means you'll be living close to other people, which is nice if you enjoy having neighbors around and making friends. Many condo communities hold fun events, sometimes barbecues or parties during the holidays for everyone to enjoy. Well, there you have it. Ultimately, living in a condo is a lifestyle choice. And if you're having a hard time, well, this is going to open up your options in today's market. Hey, if you're thinking about buying or selling, we love to help you out. Vinny Mancini, your Ironman Realtor. I go the distance for you.